What's up? Welcome back to another video where today we are playing Rooster Defense and we need the... Okay, so we get progress. Okay. Checking game, entering game. Rooster Defense! Here we come. I've seen this on adverts and I think it looks good, so I'm doing it. Chick Island. Doctor thought drug would make the experiment a success. Warning. Chicken. Experiment failed. Chick X3 developed the ability to control weapons. As Chick X3 in response to... okay. So we're Chick X3, I think. Or we're defending. And then... oh no, enemies incoming. I'm not getting that much money. In fairness. Okay, success. Oh, now these guys have guns and they're taking long to kill. But I still only get one money for it. One more. This, and then I can edit this guy to be better. New turret slot. You can now place more turrets. Okay, stage 3. More turret and upgrade your defense. Okay. That means they're probably going to get past the first one. Yeah, they're getting past him. Okay. New turret slot. Let's go. Okay, I'll place one there. Okay, they're getting shot down though. Oh no. Oh, this is an easy boss. Look at how little health he has. This looks... I don't know. Gems. Parts. Mortar. MG. Okay, I've almost got the mortar, I think. New turret, yay! New turret slot, okay. Stage 6. This. Dang. It's level 1, that's a level 4, that's a level 3. So, if I just make... you know what, I'm gonna add the mortar. Where can I place the mortar? Okay, I can place the mortar there. Oh no. Okay, cool. Level 2, level 3, mortar there. Soon I'm gonna be 1, 2, 3. Let's just upgrade that quick. I need 6. Oh no. Just add a mortar. They look powerful. I like everything. Every mortar is now on. Okay. It's not anymore though. On what I was gonna say. Oh man, I'm getting loads, guys. I need more slots. Okay, cool. The mortars are good. Yes! Another boss completed in Rooster Defense. Let's see. What do I unlock? Turret builder, mortar, MG. Okay, cool. I didn't you can rank up turret. MG. Oh, cool. Okay, I didn't know I could do that. Now it's on 2 stars, which makes it more powerful. No, I don't want that in the recording. Toxic turret. Oh, I love toxic turret. That's already my favourite. Toxic turret. I just started placing a bunch of guys and I get so many now. This one, this. Oh no, I'm not getting any the stuff I need. Okay, new turret slot, yes. Okay, that place is unlocked now. That's on level 2, so... Oh, that's 5 now. I need 8. Okay. Now that's level 4. And I can add this there. Because it's powerful. And now I can add that together. Okay, they're getting shot down. I think this is the Rooster's troop, or we're the Rooster. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure, to be honest. Okay. Here's a gift for you in the mall. Ooh, free. Okay. Parts. Gem. Skeleton. Toxic. Yes! Yes, I got the toxic. Yes. Ha 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 ha. You guys are in for a surprise when I get my toxic turret. To be honest, I think it's pretty rare to get my toxic turret. Hopefully this guy's powerful. Oh man, he's powerful. He does less than the mortar. No, no, no. Please, please, the only one that gets past is that. No! I'm not losing. I'm not gonna lose. Anymore. Okay. I'm not losing anymore. No, I've already got a level 2 one. Ah! Tap here to fight boss again. Where? Oh, boss battle, okay. I'm already in boss battle. I haven't even got boss stuff up. I haven't changed anything. I'm still working in my deck. I've lost still. Oh! I just made it. That's high. Please don't be another turret. I have too many that I need. Yay! I'm so glad there was no... Yeah, I know, I have interface. Turret builder, okay, cool. I have a turret builder now. Oh, yes! Oh, no. What the heck are these guys? Who the heck? I should say. New turret slot. Okay, I got a new turret slot for my toxic guy. Oh no, these guys are on surfer thingies. Look, I'm just gonna plant that there. Yes. I have the toxic, so hopefully they get like poisons and stuff. No, they won. Failed. Attack. Including offline. Oh damn. That kind of sucks. They're getting toxinated. Whatever it's called. I don't know, I think it's called toxinated. Oh, wait. Yes. Let's go. We're gonna win this. Actually, we've been winning every single one. Except from that other one that we didn't win. Oh. I did not expect to get that turret. To be honest. Oh wait, what they have... I'm gonna get another toxinator gun. There. Okay. Did I win the boss battle? Do you guys know? I don't think I did. I'm placing another turret there. Because I don't know what else I can do other than the other ones. I want to upgrade these ones. I don't have anything I can upgrade so far, guys. Quickly move that a bit down there. What's that? I'm gonna go back to the boss. Okay. Got a level 4 guy. Oh no, it just flies straight over. Dang, that kind of sucks, to be honest. It can just fly over my head. Yes! New turret slot. Let's go. I need to upgrade this. And this. I love this toxic stuff now. It's my new favourite stuff in this game. Though I've only played this game today. Oh, but then I have the blue stuff. Oh no, I've unlocked one of every single one. Tap auto fuse. Oh no. Oh no. Quick, just put the power for this thing I have. Oh, it auto fused. Okay, that's actually pretty cool. It auto fuses in your Let's go. I have to say this is epic. This auto fuse thing. So now I can add like multiple thingy-mabobbies. Can't remember what they're called. Okay. Yes. Let's go. I don't know what to add. I'm just gonna add another one of these. Invitation reward. I have no idea what that is. Oh no, it's a boss. I'm not getting any money. Hurry up, guys. You can beat this boss. Go, go, go. No! It just made it to the egg. Dang. That kind of sucks. Oh, wait. I don't know how I didn't notice that. I just didn't. Right, I'm gonna... Toxic gun thing. Yes. Get that, so then I can merge that. And then I can put that there. So... I'm not getting the stuff I want to get, guys. I have to say, this is a pretty good game. I'm going to do the boss battle again. Okay. Yes! Just at the end again. What's in this? Parts, gem, turret builder, turret slot. Yes! I can upgrade the acidic. Oh, I got that. That's pretty cool. Tap to activate turret. Activate. Oh, it's now instead of toxic. Okay, upgrade. Where's the other thing? Yeah, turret slot. Yay! Now everything I have turned into skeleton thingy. Yes. This is epic. All I had to do is buy stuff. New turret slot. Oh yes, I can place more turrets now. I'm gonna place... Oh no, this guy can go here. I'm gonna place another mortar until I can get another one. I can merge these and then get this and then swap them. So I'm having the toxic ones at the front, so then it gets poisoned the way through. Okay. I can do that, and then I can add this. Oh, I have loads. Oh no. I've run out. I don't know what I can do now. Failed. Okay, so what can I do? What can I do? I have a level 4 there, and then level 5. So that's now level 6, which has freed up 2 spaces. Yes, which has now made that level 5. Then that level 6. Then now I can place... No! Nothing's level 5. Level 5. I'm getting everything level 5. At least. Wait, what? Did I succeed? Damn again. Then I have that. Yeah, damn again. I have nothing to do now. Yay! Level 6. No, I can't do that level 6. Everything. Move the turret here to demolish it. Why do I need to demolish it? Oh, it gives you coins back. Okay, cool. It's kind of useful. Did I fail? I don't want to fail. Level 6 turret. Became level 7. Level 6 that. Put that there. Then add another toxic. I think that's what I should do. Okay. Oh no, it's boss. I'm trying to get stuff. 'Cause this is not going well for me. Oh, I almost did it actually. I still have these guys to do. I'll upgrade like one thing and then I'll probably win. To be honest. This is useless. I need the toxic. This is useless. Yes. I've now made a level 6. So now I go there. And now I place a mortar there until I get something better to put there. But till then, I don't know what to do. Oh no. Now that's a level 8. I can put a level 5 thing there. Let's go, then make that level 6. Then make that. And now what do I do? No, 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 no. What should I put? Oh dang, I still have things to put in both ones. I'm doing boss. Yeah, I don't know what to do now. Do that. And I still fail. Wow. That surprised me. Okay, just need one purple. Give me a purple. I need a purple. Purple. I'm almost dead. Just need one purple. Come on, give me that purple. You know you wanna. Yeah, seriously, I just need that purple. That one purple. I'm gonna do another toxic. Give me that. Yes, I got the purple. Finally. Just need it to reach level 6. Oh, wait, did I? No. I need to get it to reach level 8. Ugh. This is really annoying. Level 5. That. Soon I'll go on to boss battle. Just need a quick level myself up. Level 6 turret. Fine, I don't really care, to be honest. No, I don't. I have the max. I think it stopped doing the auto merge. I have to merge it myself now, which is really annoying, kinda. I'm just doing boss. I have no idea what I'm doing. Or why. Okay. That was pretty much over. I need something good in this. Turret builder, mortar, guillotine. Okay, I got the guillotine. Rank up. This thingy. MG. Yeah, guys, I think we can do one more round. Yeah, one more round, guys. Okay, I'm giving you one more round. Oh, no. Oh, no. Actually, no, not oh, no. Don't know why I said oh, no. I have too many, things in my thing. I mean, seriously. I have a bunch of stuff. Probably going to play this off camera after. But guys, that's all we have time for today. So, like and subscribe and goodbye. Yeah, so bye!